Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to enable auto tagging in Google Ads. So first of all, what is auto tagging? If you want to improve your data accuracy, you should do this. And how does it look like? You can see if user click on your ad and land on a web page, and you can see GCLID in the URL, and here is the ID number. So this is look like this, and accordingly they can track easily the clicks and other reports they can make with highly accuracy. So that's why we do this. And how to do this? You have to log in your Google Ads account and then click on admin and then click on account setting, and here you can see auto tagging. Click here and you just enable and save it. So that's it. I already enabled this, so I don't need to do anything. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, and you, otherwise you can visit my website techchance.com. Thank you so much.